We all want to capture the perfect moment perfectly, but who's got the time? Everything happens so quickly, and capturing that moment usually requires a lot of planning and time that we just simply don't have. And sometimes that moment only happens once. That bird isn't going to fly through your sunset shot again, and then you won't be at that exact moment with the wings. You know, you might have had it framed up and everything at the perfect angle at like the right time of day. It's just impossible. But now you can do something about it. With Samsung's 8K video snap feature, you can capture everything that you missed. So first, let's talk about 8K and why it's such a big deal on mobile devices. To do that, stretch your mind to a bigger screen, like maybe a high-end ultra definition TV set, right? The one that we all wish was in our living room. The one that I don't have in my living room. It would be nice though. That's the one I'm talking about. Now, what does it take to display images on that screen? A lot of pixels, like a lot of them. Well, 8K is the latest standard for video resolution on screens that gives you that rich color and those sharp lines, that drop that your jaw does every time you see a frame at such a crispy resolution. I'm sure you have all heard of 1080p in high definition video modes. In this mode, video or imagery is displayed using 1920 pixels across a screen horizontally and 1080 pixels down the screen vertically. That's a total of 2,073,600 pixels crammed into a screen. I had that number in the top of my head. I'm not reading this off a teleprompter. I'm doing the math. It's like I didn't do math literacy. It's school. Now, in 8K mode, instead of 1920 pixels across, bump that up to 7,680 pixels, and instead of 1080 pixels vertically, boost that to 4,320 pixels. That's a whopping 33,177,600 pixels tucked snug as a rug together to give you the richest video and image quality currently available for a screen. Well, at least a commercial screen anyway. Okay, now that we can get that out of the way, this is why it's so cool on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The 8K video snap functionality on the phone allows you to take a picture of the 8K quality video recordings that you make so that you can capture the highest quality images in the highest definition possible, like through a video. Like, it's just getting everything in. All you need to do is open the camera app. Ensure that you are recording your video in 8K mode by tapping on the aspect ratio option at the top of the screen and selecting the 9:16 8K option. I might say 16:9, depending on the orientation that you're holding your phone. Once your video is recorded, simply open the video straight from the recording screen or from your gallery and play the video. Now you can scrub through that video frame by frame to find the perfect moment to capture. Once you've found it, tap the 8K snap icon on the top left of your screen, and there you have it. You got the picture, you got the shot. Just so you know, this works in every other resolution as well, but 8K video snap ensures that you get the highest quality image possible, and you can potentially even print that out. Now you'll never miss that perfect moment when your friend falls into the swimming pool because you pushed him in and you were planning on filming it anyway, or that ice cream like falls off the ice cream cone and your partner is watching in dismay because you're eating like a child. And this is getting very personal right now, but or better yet, have you ever wanted to capture the perfect picture of yourself to use as a thumbnail in your next video, or sneak a little profile picture, you know, on a dating app, you know, because no one else is around to take the photo for you? I've done it. It works. Simply set up the device in your desired spot. Remember, good lighting is very important. Record your video in 8K and strike a pose. Like, I don't know how to pose. This is not a tutorial on how to pose. Like, maybe do this, or do 2 or 5. You can do as many as you want. No one is watching, and only you'll know what it went into creating that particular moment, so don't be embarrassed. So over and above boasting one of the best cameras in the market, this added functionality really takes content creation to a whole nother level, just allowing you the freedom to be present and enjoy the moments in between your content creation. And I think that's really important. That's one of the most important things that technology can offer us. It's just, you know, that kind of freedom. Let me know in the comments below some of your favorite features of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And if you use the 8K video snap, tell me your thoughts. I want to see what you guys have made. I'll see you guys in another video. Cheers.